Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm really excited to share this recipe with you all, and this one is for a strawberry cheesecake barfi, and it's so easy to put together. And the best part about this recipe is you do not need to make a phag for it. So we're starting this recipe with two 7-ounce packs of strawberry cheesecake melts. I got this from Walmart. I'll link it in the description box so you all can order it online. Unless you know somewhere in Trinidad that sells it, leave it in the comment section. You're going to empty the 2 packets into a glass bowl and microwave for 30-second intervals. So 30 seconds, mix, 30 seconds, mix. So once it melts like this, you don't have to continue doing 30 seconds. Just stop and mix it until it's nice and smooth. And from here, we're going to add some flavor. So we're going to go in with nutmeg. In goes elaichi or cardamom, ghee. I prefer ghee for this recipe, guys, so if you can try to use that, please do. Ginger juice, Nestle table cream or media cream, and you're going to mix that in. You could give this a quick taste to see if those spices in there are enough for you, and then we'll go in with powdered milk and mix. You can also taste it at this point too to make sure that the flavors are where you want it to be. And you can always add more of the nutmeg or more of the cardamom. So once it comes together like this, you want to move pretty quickly and empty it into a lightly greased tray. I use ghee to grease my tray, and what it does, it will help the barfi to release. Now initially I was only going to do half of the tray, but then when I looked at it, it would have been too thick, and it's a really sweet dessert, so I decided to do the entire tray, which gave me about a half of an inch in thickness. So we're gonna let that set. It takes about 20 minutes to set up, and once it's nice and firm, we'll go ahead and add our toppings. So I'm going to melt some white candy melts. You just need a few, like around 1/4 cup, and melt that for 30 seconds, mix, and then start drizzling over that barfi. If you try to use like white chocolate chips, it may not melt and drizzle, but if you have a brand that does melt and drizzles, by all means use that. You want to garnish with some rose petals. These are organic rose petals. If you wanted to omit it, you can. And I'm also going in with some colored sprinkles, and I'm using the longer sprinkles. So that's it. All you have to do is allow this to set up and then cut it into small blocks. These are very flavorful, very tasty. They're a bit sweet because of the candy melts, so you want to cut your blocks really small. And it has a nice thickness to it, and it's absolutely delicious. You want to take your time when you're eating these and enjoy the lingering flavors on your tongue. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you like what you see and you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. This one was out of this world delicious. I hope you'll give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you make it, tag me on Instagram so I can repost your pictures. I would love to see what you guys do. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.